Hello, hello, all the PURA lovers around the world. Today we are going to learn about the PURA wallet for Windows 32 and 64 bits. You are going to learn how to set up and secure, how to send and receive, and how to back up your wallet and your private key. Let's first start with the installation and the setup of your wallet. The first thing we're going to do is to identify if your system has 64 or 32 bits. So you are going to right-click on My Computer, and by clicking on Properties, you will get a pop-up window like this that will show you if your system is a 32 or a 64-bit. In this case, it's a 64-bit. Now, in order for you to find where to download the 64-bit file, the easiest way to get to the GitHub is to go to the PURA.1 website, scroll down to the Download Wallet, and click on the Download Wallet button. That will redirect you to the GitHub. And inside the GitHub here, you can see the list of all the wallets that are available for Windows 64-bit and 32-bit. For the 32-bit, it is called x86 setup file. But for this computer, for the Windows setup, we are installing a 64-bit, which is the Windows x64 that we are selecting for download. We're waiting a moment for the download to get completed, and then we are now off to the installation. So once the file has downloaded completed, you simply click on the installation file, and a window will pop up like this. And all you do is click Next, Next, and Next in order to initiate the installation. As you can see, it only takes a few seconds. You leave the Run Now button active, and you just click OK and click Run. On this screen here, you can choose your default directory, but I do recommend that you don't make any changes unless you have limited space on your hard drive. So you simply just click OK and you follow these instructions. Now the installation is running, and this should only take a few seconds or up to a minute in order for the PURA wallet to get properly installed on your desktop. Once the installation is completed, you get this pop-up window that says, please make sure that you encrypt your wallet and delete all non-encrypted backups after you have verified that the wallet is working. All you have to do is click OK here. At this point, your wallet has been properly installed, and we are now going to be going through how to encrypt your wallet. And by doing so, you go to Settings and you click Encrypt Wallet. And here you are setting up your password for your wallet. You have to repeat it 2 times and click OK. It is very important that you do not forget this encryption password, because there is no forgot the password button. So if you forget your password, you will lose all the PURA that you have in your wallet. So please make sure that you write down this password and store it somewhere safe as a backup in case you happen to forget. You simply click OK. And again, you get another warning window here. You click OK, and that is it. You have now completed your encryption. We are now relaunching the PURA wallet to open up again. And now we are going to demonstrate how to receive and how to send some PURA from your wallet. So first, we are going to create a few example labels. We are going to create a label for John. And as you saw, I just typed in John and clicked create, and we are copying his new PURA wallet address. So this is a PURA wallet address that we would share with John in order for him to, for example, send us some PURA. We're also going to make an example wallet called David, and we're going to pretend that David is going to send us 1 PURA. So we're copying the address, and we are, again, pasting it in our notes document, and we are closing that. And now we're going to create a third wallet which does not have any label at all that we can share with anybody that can send PURA to us. So we're copying that wallet, and we are going to put that over in our notes label, in our note as well, right there. Very good. And now we are going to send the first PURA wallet address to John. We are going to send this to John, and we are going to ask John to send us 1 PURA, just as a demonstration for us to be able to see how does it work when we are receiving PURA. So of course, we are going to be waiting for John to send us this PURA, but at this point, we have shared this wallet address of ours with John, and we are just waiting for John to send us some PURA. So this is how you would do if you want to receive PURA. You can set up as many PURA addresses as you would like in the same wallet that you have, and that way you can keep track of if you are receiving some PURA from different people as well. Now we are going to learn how to back up your wallet. You click File and you click Backup Wallet. And we are going to back up this wallet on our desktop, but you can also back it up on a USB stick or somewhere safe. So we simply call it Wallet and we click Save. Now we are going to learn how to back up your private key. Your private key is very important. If someone has your private key and also knows the wallet address of your private key, these together can be used to restore your wallet and the coins on another computer, and from there they can steal your PURA. So please make sure that your private key is stored safely. You go to Settings and you start with unlocking your wallet. You put your password in and you click OK. Afterwards, we go to Tools and we go to Debug Console. And here you are going to start typing in dump priv key, dump priv key. And we're going to take the wallet address for John to begin with, and we are going to paste in the address right behind the dump priv key, and we're going to hit enter. Right now we get our private wallet for the wallet address that we had with John, and we're going to put it right here in our note under John's name. There's the private key. We're also going to practice and do this with David's wallet. So we're going to copy the wallet and we go back to the console and we simply update and say the dump priv key and paste enter. As we can see at the bottom there, we just had the incoming transaction. So the 1 PURA we received from John in our John wallet, and we can also see it right here. Very exciting, fantastic. All right, now we go back, we copy the private key from David, and we're going to insert it here in our note as well, the private key from the David wallet. We're also going to do it on the no label. So we're copying the wallet address on the no label. And again, the dump priv key. And we put it in there, enter, we copy the private wallet, and we paste this right here in our note as well. So we got the private key from the no label wallet as well. And these private keys are very important that you store somewhere safe. And this is how you back up your PURA wallet and how you back up your private keys. We will later learn about the private keys, how they are used for restoring your wallet. We are now going to learn how to send PURA. This is very simple. You go to your overview and you click on send. Now you can see the top 3 fields with the payment to, the label, and the amount. So we're going to get a wallet address from a friend of ours, and we are going to be putting that wallet address in the pay to field. So we're going to be putting inside the wallet address of the destination in the pay to field, and we are going to put in 1 PURA in the amount field, and we're going to click send. Now we get a pop-up screen saying that we do not have sufficient because there is of course a transaction fee as well. And as you can see here on the overview, we only have 1 PURA available. So we're going to go ahead and update, and we are going to change our amount. We are going to put in 0.5 PURA. And then we are going to click send. And here we can see a confirmation details and the little transaction fee. And we're going to click yes. Now we can see at the bottom that half a PURA has been sent out. We now go to the overview and we can see again the transactions. We can click on transactions to see the details as well. And when we go back to the overview, we can see we have 0.49 PURA left in our wallet. And that is how you send PURA. This marks the end to this educational video about the PURA wallet for Windows. We hope that you have learned a lot and that you feel comfortable to securely use your PURA wallet and store all your PURA here. And we thank you for being a PURA lover and part of the digital cash movement for the common good of the world. Thank you.